Akansha, and in this video I am going to talk about reading. If you used to read or you are just new in reading, this video is for you. In this video I am going to talk about why reading is important, how to choose your ideal book, and how to make reading a habit. So let's start. First, let's talk about why reading is important. There are many concepts about why reading is important, but what I think the reason why you should read it is that imagine someone puts all their experience in life in a book and you just have to read it to know all about that. Isn't it cool? Reading not only increase your knowledge but it also help in your thinking skills, concentration and attention, which apparently we all lack nowadays. Now, how to choose your ideal book. See, if we divide books into two categories, there will be fiction and non-fiction. See, in fiction, there are books mainly written by someone's imagination, a story or something which someone has written through their imagination. And in non-fiction, there are books which are based on real stories and everything. And the most popular books of non-fiction nowadays are self-help books. But what should you choose if you are a new reader? According to me, if you are a new reader, you should go with a book which has a story in it, so that it will engage you and you want to read more about that. See, what happens with self-help book is, if it's about positivity, the whole book is going to be about positivity. The whole 100 or 200 pages is going to be about positivity. If you are a new reader, I think you should go with a book which has a story in it. But always remember, never choose a book because everyone is talking about it. Everyone has different tastes, so do you. Don't pick a book because everyone is talking about it and you will look cool if you read that. No. First find out what topic it's the book about. Are you interested in that topic? Then read the reviews or a little summary about that book. Then only choose a book. Like they say, never judge a book by its cover. I say never judge a book by its popularity. I have read many books which are not that popular, but they are awesome. So yeah, choose your books wisely. Now let's talk about how to choose your ideal genre. If you are confused what kind of book you should choose, I think you should choose a book according to your movie taste. Like you like comedy, you like action, adventure. For example, if you like detective movies, you should go with a detective novel. If you like comedy, go with a comedy. If you like Harry Potter, I think you should know which book to choose. Now, there are three forms of book. Like there is physical book, which is uncomparable. Then there are PDF, there are audiobooks. I think PDFs are good if you have a tab or something, then it will be very comfortable for you to read. And also PDFs are good if you don't want to invest that much amount in a book. I have read many PDFs of book in college, but now I buy as many books as I can. Then there is audiobooks. I never used to like audiobook, but recently in lockdown in the last 3-4 months, I have listened to 3 audiobooks and so far they all are very nice. So I am now into audiobooks. So yeah, you can also go with audiobooks if you want. It's nice if you can just play an audiobook and do whatever you want, and you can listen to that while you are working on something else. If you want reading, then I think you should go with physical books. Now let's talk about how to make reading a habit. No matter where you go, keep your book with you, so that when you have time you can read, and in short, make reading accessible to you. Use reading as a screen break. I do this daily. Whenever I want to take a break from my screen, I just start reading. So make reading escape from that blue light. How to make time for it? It's the main problem for most of us. So what you can do is read 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes before going to bed, and 5 minutes in between your day. Or just put 5 or 10 minutes timer daily, any time of the day, and start reading. I know you can make this much time. And the most important thing is, don't treat it as a task. Do it because you want to do it. Just enjoy reading. Start small. In everything. Either it's picking a book or setting a goal. Start with a small one, then make your way to the big books. It will help you to make it a habit and you don't feel afraid. Set goals or reading partner. You don't have to join a book club, just make small goals for yourself. Make it simple so that you can achieve them, or just discuss your books with your friends or partner. And if they like to read, that's awesome. At last, I just want to say it's okay to quit a book. Just don't quit reading just because you pick a bad book. And yeah guys, this was all for this video. If this video helps you, then give it a like. Comment down below what book are you reading right now or planning to read. And if you want to know which book I am reading or what book I read, then follow me on Instagram. I put a lot of story about my reading and you can go and check a highlight I have made called Library. This has all the books I have read and everything about reading. Subscribe to my channel to watch my latest videos. I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care, keep reading. Bye.